Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the Nissan badge on the GTR, which I'm gonna tell you 3 reasons why I want to remove it. First of all, I want to remove the Nissan badge because everybody be like, oh, you just a Maximine, you just put GTR badge on it, which I don't see how it looks like a Maxima. But anyways, the second reason would be because to me it looks way better, and the third one obviously is weight reduction, bro. So we have to remove the Nissan badge. So this is all the products I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using a heat gun, fishing line, and I'm gonna try this out to completely remove the glue. Hopefully it does work and doesn't mess up with my paint. I never tried this, so I guess this is gonna be like a review on this thing to see how it works. And obviously we're gonna finish up with this here to to make the paint look good and hopefully it doesn't mess up the paint. So let's see how this works. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is make sure your car is clean. I don't feel like washing my whole car, so I just gonna clean it with this really fast. Okay, so the second thing we're gonna do is warm it up, and then we're gonna put the fishing line between the batch and the car, and then do it slowly, take it out slowly when it's warm up. So let's try that out. Make sure not to leave in one spot because you can mess up with the paint, and make sure to put your hand in here to feel how hot it gets. You don't want it to get really hot. This needs a little bit more. And just like that, it's out. Make sure not to touch it because this thing is really hot. So as you can see, it left all that glue on there. So we need to try to remove all that. I'm gonna let it cool down so I can put this on and there and try to remove all the glue. So this is how the glue looks. You see, it's really sticky, and you can pretty much peel it off. So we're gonna try to remove all that and make it look clean and nice, like nothing was there. So we're gonna spray this in there, and we're supposed to wait like a minute. So let's spray in there and let's wait a minute. I don't want this thing to be all over the paint, so I just try to up and down all the extra. So let's wait a minute. Let's try to do this. It looks like it's coming off, but it looks like since it's so thick that I need to do it a couple times. Let's leave it there for a couple more minutes because it's really thick, so I think it needs a little bit more time. So this is taking way longer than what I expected, so it looks like it's gonna take a long time to do this and try it like a couple times and keep spraying it until it's all gone because it's like really thick. So I just noticed that the spray is coming here and that's supposed to dissolve the glue. So I'm just gonna put a piece of tape here just to be safe, so just like the spray doesn't go there. So So it looks like it works better when you spray that and warm it up a little bit. So I guess we're gonna keep doing it that way because it did come off a lot. It took off a lot of it, so we're gonna keep doing it that way. Oh yeah, that definitely works so much better. So yeah, you need to do it that way. Spray the thing, warm it up, and just like go like one way, and it's gonna fill it out like in big pieces. So definitely do it that way. It's so much faster. So let me show you how it looks now. You see how it looks right now, but we need to take all that away. So we're gonna spray a couple times, wipe it down, and then we're gonna do with the compound to finish it out. They didn't leave any scratches so far that I can see. But remember to be careful with the black paint, because black paint, you can see scratches and stuff. So as you can see, it left it pretty good. You cannot really see nothing. You cannot see any scratches or anything. But the next thing you really want to do is wash it, because that thing is like really oily, and it leaves like really nasty, and you still leave like pieces of glue. So the best thing will be to wash it, but I'm just gonna clean it with the wireless thing, just because of the video and it's getting dark. So I'm gonna do that really quick and finish it with the compound. Okay, so make sure on the part that you're about to put compound that is like really clean. So I'm just gonna put compound on this part, because that's what it was in the badge. So I'm just gonna compound this part right here. So as you can see, it worked really good. You cannot really see anything. So definitely try it out and let me know how it worked for you, because it did a really good job, and obviously it looks so much better now. Yes, so much better now that we're compared to an Ultimo or Maximo. As you can tell, this stuff really works, but in order to really make it work, you need to heat it up with a heat gun. So by itself, if you're trying to take out like a batch, I'm sure it's like really thick, so you cannot really take it out here with this, because it might work, but it's gonna take you a long time. So it's better to heat it up, as you saw in the video, that once you start to heat it up, it came out really easily. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.